So apparently in JavaScript there's no built-in wait function. So I was working on this tower defense game. I needed the wait function to give them 10 seconds to place their towers. And I needed waitUntil to wait until there's no enemies left and then I can start the next round. So I obviously looked up wait function in JavaScript, but apparently there's no built-in one, so I looked a little into it, and apparently you have to use something like an async. So I tried to learn a little about that, but then I kind of gave up, so I just asked Bing. And this is what it came up with. So waitUntil, it has two parameters, conditionFunction, which returns true when you want it to stop waiting. So over here in main.js, this is the function I used, which is if enemies.length is equal to 0, which means if there's no more enemies left, then it returns true. So back in the utility function, so yeah, that's what I put for conditionFunction. And interval is how often it checks if you want it to stop waiting. And this is the line where it waits the interval for it to check again. The wait function I have over here is basically just this line, but instead of interval, which has time times 1,000, and it multiplies it by 1,000 because it uses milliseconds, not seconds, and I want to input seconds because that's more convenient. If you want the code, just go in the description below and I'll have it linked for you to copy and paste. And that's it for today, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.